Are you seeing a white text box on your Amazon Fire Stick and want to get rid of it? Then you are in the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Tweak settings. Hold down the play or pause button on your Fire Stick remote for about a second. This will temporarily remove the white text box. Hold down both the rewind and fast forward buttons together for at least 3 seconds. This will turn off the text banner feature permanently. Press the home button on your Fire Stick remote. Go to settings and select accessibility. Select text banner. Toggle text banner to off. Method 2. Reboot the device. The next thing you can do is reboot the Fire Stick device. To do that, unplug your Fire Stick device. Wait for about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This can help reset the device and remove the white text box. And there you have it, the ways to get rid of the white text box on the Amazon Fire Stick screen. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.